the good stuff right here. You don't want this stuff to drop in the sun. You want it to let it sit on the bike for a few minutes and then rinse it off or scrub it off, whatever. Me personally, I'm just gonna rinse it off because the bike's gonna get right back dirty. So there's no sense in putting me trying to detail this bike. Link is in the description for this if you guys are interested. Alright guys, bike's all clean. The bike still does have a few little scuffs on it, as you can see, but this is a trail bike, guys. I'm gonna be taking it through the woods pretty soon, so it doesn't even matter if I try to do a whole full detail on this bike or not. Right now, I'm about to head to the bike shop and I'm about to see if I can find some used mountain bike bars that I can install on this thing, because woo! Pretty nice. So right now I'm at the bicycle graveyard. I'm gonna try to find a stem, and he said there's like bars over here in the cut. I don't know if these are for a customer or not, but if they aren't, I might snag these. I actually like these bars. Guys, I think I just hit the jackbox. ProTaper bars. These things are super wide though. You rent the bars? Eating on camera, so you're not putting that in there.
Yeah. Lunchtime, you feel me?
Put them on. What you grubbing on right now?
Tropical smoothie, buffalo chicken wrap, you feel me?
Watching. Took me like.
We're like, you know, open that.
This looks crazy, yo. Definitely need to cut the bars. Yeah. Well, this is not a look you see often. They're not too bad. We got some ProTaper mountain bars, carbon fiber. I do need to be careful when I hit the trails with these bars. Damn, this guy got his bike out, no lock, bugging. I'm about to test out some wheelies on this thing, see how it rides and whatnot. This is the start of the OM-DURO trail build. Yo, what y'all think about these, man? I like them. In my opinion, I like them. For what I'm using this bike for, it's perfect. Sick. What's up, guys? We are currently at my boy Dishmax Trapland Thursday ride out. Got my boy Eddie, Steady Eddie, back in town.
go to sea and land it.
So this bike should be available for purchase, I believe next month, September. So y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you're following SC Bikes on Instagram and, you know, keep up with their website to see when the release of this bike will be. Me personally, I love monster quads, guys. This is like my combo bike. This is the bike I love doing tricks on, monster quads for sure. And this is actually my girl's bike. SC sent me this back in January, and I decided to give this to my girl, but I asked her like, hey, you know, I need to use this for a little bit. And guys, I've been thrashing on this bike, man, so I gotta give the bike back. I gotta give the bike back. We're gonna probably get like one more video on this thing, and then I'm gonna detail the whole bike. I got a new sticker kit from Ride Out Supply that I would like to install as well. Comment down below what you guys think of the new Monster Quad. And for the Duro, I have that bike in the house right now, waiting on a few more parts, and I'm gonna be taking that bike to the trail real soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. The video is coming to an end, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment down below what you guys want to see me do with this Monster Quad. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.